Number 1. 1994 Ford Ranger, price $6,200, equipped with a 4.0L V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a capable 4x4 drivetrain. The truck shows 237,000 miles on the chassis and features a red exterior with a gray interior. While the odometer reads 237,000 miles, the engine itself has been replaced and has relatively low mileage. The vehicle carries a rebuilt title and does not have catalytic converters, which are not required for emissions due to the truck's age. Recent work includes new Goodyear Wrangler Trail Runner tires, a completely refreshed brake system with new front rotors and pads, rear drums and pads, new front wheel bearings and seals, as well as a new radiator and thermostat for the cooling system. The ignition system has been serviced with a new NGK coil pack, new spark plugs, and a repaired ignition key cylinder. Additionally, the power steering pump and lines have been replaced, and the front suspension has been updated with new dual camber/caster adjustable bushings followed by a professional alignment. Number 2. 1988 GMC 1500, price $10,000, shows 301,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior complemented by a tan interior. Despite its mileage, the truck is described as being in great condition for its age and has been well cared for over the years. In the early 2000s, it was professionally repainted and upgraded with a new crate engine as well as a new transmission, significantly improving its overall reliability and performance. More recent maintenance includes the replacement of the AC compressor and dryer, helping ensure the air conditioning system functions properly. A new starter has also been installed, and the battery is approximately 1 year old, providing dependable starting power. Number 3. 1995 Ford Ranger, price $9,995. This truck has 162,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, running on gasoline. It features a classic red exterior paired with a gray interior and comes with a clean Nevada title. The truck has had only one owner, making it an increasingly rare find. This is a desirable Ranger Splash 4x4 model with factory automatic locking hubs. It comes with a matching camper shell, larger off-road tires with good tread, and a grille guard that adds both protection and a rugged look. The classic red paint still presents well, and a new battery has recently been installed. Inside, the interior remains solid and well kept for its year. What makes this truck stand out is its one-owner history, clean and straight body, and simple old-school Ranger design that is becoming more collectible over time. It is well suited for camping, overlanding, work duties, or daily driving. Number 4. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, classic OBS truck that runs and drives very well. It has 212,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, runs on gasoline, and features a green exterior paired with a tan interior. The extended cab body is straight and sits nicely on all-terrain tires, giving it a great overall stance. Inside, the interior is clean and well kept, with leather seats, though the driver's seat does show some wear consistent with age and use. Known for its reliability, this truck is well suited as a daily driver, a work truck, or a solid platform for a future build, and examples like this are becoming increasingly hard to find. It comes with a clean title and is ready to go. Number 5. 1993 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,750, shows 176,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It is finished in a red exterior with a matching red interior and is powered by a reliable 350 V8 gasoline engine. The engine runs strong and is paired with a nice-sounding exhaust, giving the truck a solid and enjoyable driving feel. The transmission shifts smoothly, making it comfortable and easy to drive, whether for daily use or weekend cruising. The truck is equipped with working air conditioning and heat, ensuring comfort in different weather conditions. The radio functions properly, and the Cooper tires are in great shape with plenty of life left. Overall, this Sierra is a super cool and fun truck to drive. It comes with a clean title in hand and is fully ready to go for its next owner. Number 6. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,900. It has 225,000 miles and features a manual NV3500 transmission with floor-shift 4x4. It runs, drives, and stops well, and is powered by a gasoline engine. The truck is finished in white with a blue interior. It has received many new parts, including front-end steering components, heater core, radiator, windshield, mirrors, door handles, and major AC components such as the compressor, condenser, lines, and evaporator. Minor issues remain, including a leaking AC system, worn door pins and bushings, loose steering, and a soft brake pedal. The body shows rust, but the frame is clean for the area with only light surface scale. It features a straight pipe single exhaust, a 3-inch body lift on 33 by 12.50 by 15 tires, halogen low beams, LED high beams, and comes with a clean Indiana title. Number 7. 1977 Ford F250, price $4,400, powered by a 400 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior with a blue interior and is described as a very solid truck overall. Originally finished in blue, it has since received an inexpensive white paint job. The truck runs and drives well and comes equipped with good wheels and tires. It has recently been updated with a new alternator and turn signal switch, along with a redhead steering box and dual exhaust. While the doors show some rust, the cab corners, floors, and bed remain in very solid condition. Electrically, everything functions properly except for the radio. It also includes aftermarket gauges, and all lights, turn signals, and the heater are in working order. Number 8. 1976 Ford F100, price $4,200, classic full-size truck powered by a 360 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. It has 83,000 miles and runs and drives well. The truck features an orange exterior with a brown interior and uses gasoline as its fuel type. It still wears mostly original paint, which adds to its authentic vintage character. For comfort and practicality, it is equipped with an aftermarket air conditioning system that works very well, making it enjoyable to drive even in warmer conditions. The dual fuel tank setup provides added driving range, and the truck includes a full set of aluminum wheels, with 3 extra matching wheels included. Number 9. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,350. It has 251,000 miles and is equipped with a 350 V8 gasoline engine and an automatic transmission. It runs and drives well, with a black exterior and red interior. In the last 100 miles, it has received major maintenance including new spark plugs, wires, cap and rotor, fresh oil, a new battery, thermostat, and a flushed cooling system. The brake system has been extensively updated with new rear-wheel cylinders, brake lines, master cylinder, front calipers, and new shoes and hardware. The transmission was rebuilt about 2 years ago and has approximately 30,000 miles. The AC compressor and some hoses have been replaced, and the heater works great. The truck has minor rust on the rockers and cab corners, along with paint imperfections, dents, and dings. Number 10. 1977 Ford F150, price $6,200. It is powered by a 351M engine that has been completely rebuilt by Infinity Motors, giving the truck strong and dependable performance. Recent upgrades include a new carburetor, power steering pump, aluminum radiator, and master cylinder, all contributing to improved reliability and drivability. The exact mileage is unknown, but the truck runs well and starts up without issues. It handles snowy conditions confidently and is a great choice for practical use such as hauling firewood or general utility work. The heater works great, making it comfortable to drive in cold weather. The frame is in good condition, while the body shows cosmetic wear consistent with its age.